Welcome back to the channel, and ladies and gentlemen, Corey is back on the channel. Corey, what's up, dude?
What's up?
What are we doing?
Coyote with a turbo.
What? Okay, we'll have to get into that in a minute. Before we go any farther, Cody is in the house as well. And here's the deal. We're gonna do work right now, right here in front of everybody. We had a little bit of a pump failure in the Power Glide. It just stopped pulling, or what?
Stop pulling first, second, no reverse.
No reverse, no nothing.
Gear broke.
So we got to yank the Power Glide out and send it off to be rebuilt. But well, we'll get into all that. Let's go. All right, guys. So let's get back to the subject matter at hand. Corey just kind of decided he's going to change up his projects a little bit. Of course, the 85, you've seen it on the channel before, but the little Windsor, we're going to just move it, right?
It's going in the 79 gear.
Yeah, buddy. And you actually, that was your first car, wasn't it?
First foot brake car when I was 16.
Wow. Freaking
Bought
awesome.
it back 17 years later.
So, the plan is the Windsor, heads, cam, all that, is going to go in the 79 and
With 5-speed.
With a 5-speed. And then that Coyote over there.
Coyote is going in here.
And?
Grudge car.
And?
Turbo.
Yeah, buddy.
Power Glide.
Power Glide. 9-inch.
9-inch.
Turbo Yodi.
Turbo Yodi.
It's fixing to go down, y'all.
Grudge car waiting to happen.
Oh, yes. Okay, so the 79 Gia, whatever you want to call it. This is it right here. Corey had this car back when he was 16 years old. It's raced and rinse and repeat for a lot of years. Sat for a lot of years. But he did manage to get the car back. I don't know if, yeah, this door will open. But there it is. So this car's got a lot of sentimental value to Corey. So the plan is we're going to drop that Windsor and the stick shift in this car. And low 7 second car. In the 8th, obviously the 8th. Stick, Windsor. Probably some nitrous, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
A little nitrous.
14 gears.
14 gears. Super, super fun little street car. And we're going to try to go like sub 2,500 pounds.
Yes.
That would be epic.
86 front clip, cow hood.
And send it.
And send it.
All right, so there you go. That is the plan. Let's yank a Windsor. We are absolutely, we're at our 10-minute mark here. No, we're actually not. It's like 40 minutes later. Corey, how we doing, dude?
30 minutes.
We're about to yank this thing.
Yeah, we're gonna yank it.
Ken, what do you think about that? We're going to yank this motor out, dude. Dover?
It's on.
It's on and popping.
First,
Windsor,
second.
it's
Put it
coming
on
out.
the second. Because we're going to have to tilt it some, so.
Yeah, we got to get a little tilt action. So we got to send the Power Glide off and slide the Windsor off in the 79 and prep this for Turbo Coyote action.
Cody, you're on hood duty.
Cody, you're on hood duty.
Alright.
You feel good about hood duty?
Stand on your back, Dover.
Cody, grab your beer over there so you can just like stand there while you're holding the hood and hold a beer.
You got everything else you do, don't you?
Of course. What are we doing? Are we coming out? There we go. All right, we're about to. Oh, there she is. Oh, there she is.
There you go.
Y'all just tell me how we look.
Things are coming with it. Over there.
The header's getting right there on the steering shaft.
All right.
Come my way, huh?
Yeah. There it is.
Come on up. We'll make it work. You can slide past it. It's in the
There you
room.
go. There.
Pull it forward now.
A little bit more. Come on up. Undo that right there.
Hanging on low.
There we go.
Come on, sir.
Looky there, boys.
Who dirty?
We got us a Windsor.
Switch arms.
Okay.
There she be. Yeah, we're gonna have to tilt her a little bit.
Hey, you got a little grommet.
Oh, yeah. Maybe.
And just like that.
Can you
Yeah,
pick it?
if you'll put a grommet right here, keep it from pouring all over the place.
Let's see. I know I have some right here. I get it fit.
Ready?
Yeah. All right.
Ready?
Bring on you, man.
Up and over. Get them gorilla arms on it, Corey.
There.
That's what I'm talking about. Whoa, she's pissing.
Let me come back a little further. I'm gonna just sit down. All right.
Oh,
Put it on block.
I just sit the floor. That flat pan didn't sit good.
guys, y'all just don't know. Corey can actually curl this engine by himself. Like, it ain't no problem. Well, maybe not a great idea.
Oh, sorry.
There she is, boys.
There it
Ladies
is.
and gentlemen, we have birthed a Windsor and a Power Glide. Ken, you gonna make it there, bud?
Almost
Just
there.
ride the pony, yo.
You almost got some good footage there.
Started mounting it.
Ken is riding the pony, ladies and gentlemen.
See, guys, not only is he trying to ban me, he's trying to kill me, too.
Ken, I haven't banned you from the channel recently. What do you think,
Not in a
Cody?
while.
Should we ban
Ban
Ken?
him right now.
Ken, you're banned. I'm actually,
I will
guys,
disappear for another 3 weeks, guys. I'll see you in a month.
keep an eye out below the video. You might see a Ban Ken shirt. Actually, drop me a comment below if you want to see a Ban Ken shirt. Ken, what do you think? That'd be fun, though.
It's all right, Caleb. You just keep on.
Ken, I know. I love you, Ken.
I love you, too, man.
Fist bump.
So we're gonna do this track thing?
We're going to try. We're going to try. But first, we got to do something with this Windsor.
We're
Corey,
gonna do that Windsor.
how do you feel about this Windsor coming out?
Stoked.
I mean, we're ready, dude. It's
It's
time.
going in the 79. We're fixing to tote some wheels.
That's right. All right, guys. So there you go. We got the Windsor out. It's been a heck
Is it really?
of a day, rocking and rolling here in the shop. And hopefully the next engine we pull will be in the brand new shop. I'll have an update for you on that one soon. But
70s.
in the meantime, if you like the 30-minute Windsor yank, give me a big thumbs up. Please smash that subscribe button. You will not believe what's coming. And I will catch you up on the next upload. Later.